store, probably.
This must be the normal dinner train. Huh.
What the speakers are.
It says we've got another 20 passengers that we have room for, so she's going to sell tickets to us. The trip over to Enterprise, once we get underway, will take less than 25 minutes. The Wichita area retired airline pilot who was traded a 747 for a 79-year-old diesel locomotive that goes 10 miles an hour instead of 400 and so, like most of these airliners do. Virtually all of us who are working today are retirees, and we're all volunteers. I'm the car host. My name's Kevin Bailey. I retired as an archivist from the Eisenhower Presidential Library, which is just over there. Our brakeman is Dean Gear, who has worked in the computer industry, and he's from the Wichita area also. He is a fellow back on the caboose, and the distinguished-looking gentleman in the conductor's uniform is Bob Wald, also from the Wichita area, and he is our conductor today. And he is retired from a career of repairing business machines. Railroad of Kansas, so designated this spring by the state legislature and signed by the governor in the form of a resolution. We are in our 31st year of operation. Before, clear up at the top and then the train will go by the station through town without stopping. It was down low that if the train needed to stop, pick up and let off, there were messages being received from the depot agent. And even though it's greatly outmoded and obsolete, it's still staying today. If you are looking for something else to do in Abilene today, it will be open. Old Abilene town is usually open only on Saturdays and Sundays, but the Eisenhower Center is open, and the Greyhound Hall of Fame across the street from the Eisenhower Library and Museum. which was Kansas Pacific, Dave's Union Pacific, downtown. That is the one that hauled the Longhorns out of Abilene. Trail coming up from Texas and named after they are now approaching the river. First we'll go over a wooden trestle that goes up to it and down it onto steel truss bridge. Those of you in the gondolas, please keep your heads and your arms inside the car. Clearances are rather tight, as you will see here very shortly. Sometimes we get lucky and we see turtles sunbathing on driftwood, or occasionally ducks or great blue herons. Smoky Hill is 575 miles long, starts in eastern Colorado near Cheyenne Wells. About 20 miles east of here, we'll meet up with the Republican River coming down out of Nebraska. From Junction City, and then Colorado Abilene. They have so many people aboard today, we're going to use the steps on each end of this wooden Enterprise car, as they call it. For those of you in the Enterprise car and the Chicago car in front of it, will come to the east end of this car and go down those steps. Those of you in the gondolas will come to the assistance getting off the train. And do use the handrails that is up there for. Again, we'll be in the Enterprise here very shortly. Now, once we stop, you'll have to wait to give the okay. And the locomotive will couple and put it ahead. Then it will be safe. We'll be parking along the area where the Enterprise Depot used to stand. In the early 1970s, the Rock Island tore it down. And the car that I